is your tarot reader, tarot guide Shefali. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you have already subscribed my YouTube channel. If not, please subscribe right now and press that bell notification so that you keep getting regular updates of the videos that I keep on releasing. So friends, in this video, we are going to speak about September 2020 monthly predictions basis your sun sign. Let's see what's in cards for you. Hi Aquarians, people who are born from 20th of January to 18th of February are Aquarians. Let's see what's in cards for them. So friends, we will start with your energy oracle card. That is what kind of energy is surrounding you. So honestly, I can see a very contrast energy over here. I can see a happy family energy and a deceit energy. So somewhere somebody is going to cheat you, maybe in the somebody is trying to play around with your family, trying to harm it, trying to affect the completeness of the family, because even over here we can see in chakra advice card we can see the family card is reversed. So somebody within your family is trying to harm your family and trying to steal the happiness in your family by cheating. This person is most probably a male figure who is trying to deceive you. It could be a male or a female, okay? So not necessarily a male figure, but somebody who doesn't have a very good intent to make your family happy or to let your family be happy. So let's see what cards are suggesting. We can see in relationship there is 7 of wands in the reverse position. So somewhere as we mentioned even in the energy card, that there are people around you who are trying to create problems in your family and trying to create the mess in the family environment, and you were somewhere trying to fight it out and you were successful to an extent. But in the coming month there is a possibility that these people will overpower you and try to affect the family environment by bringing the separation or a temporary separation. It could be temporary separation or it could be a permanent one. So just try to be little more cautious about these people and not being too judgmental. Try to just lie low and not react to these people who are trying to create problems in the family or trying to create some wrong misunderstandings leading distancing in the family environment. This card is especially depicting a complete family, so I would say it's more of marriage, where we can focus on either a marriage or a partnership kind of a situation where two people are already living together. And it could also be a family where you are your parents or your kids, where actually there has been a completeness, but somewhere we can see that somebody is trying to create a problem and create a misunderstanding, dissatisfaction, distancing in your family environment. And the message for you here is to travel, that is, try to travel towards your inner consciousness and find the right answer rather than reacting. If this relationship really matters to you, lie low. In time you will know what to do and how to come out of this tough situation. It could also means a temporary separation where you give space to each other rather than fighting out and trying to hurt each other more. Give space to each other and then come back and try to resolve the issue. In case of singles, this card can also mean that people overpowering them with their own intentions and trying to harm their sanity and peace. So again, traveling, that is distancing yourself from such people or such situation for some time, might help you to attain peace and solve the issue. Coming to your career card, we have 8 of Pentacles in the upright position. Now this card is suggesting that you are working on your career. You are building your skills to make your career better, to win rewards, to be appreciated. There is also a possibility that you will already be appreciated for your work. People are seeing you working hard and they are taking a note of it. They will be rewarding you for good work, for a good job, for being a good presentable employee, and there is also a possibility that if you have been working towards getting some new job, there is a possibility that yes, you will be presented with one. In case of business, you might be working to make your business better, planning for future, and overall a positive action in case of your education segment also. So the only message here is, don't restrict your thinking or your action or your planning to a very small area. Try to think big, try to think beyond the horizons. It is possible for you, and you are equipped to do that. So just don't stop yourself where at a very in small distance. You can really go long distance and far away to win over a lot of bigger things in life than getting stuck on the small things because of lack of vision. So keep your vision high. You have all the freedom to reach the skies if you wish to. So coming to your financial card, we can see Lovers in the reverse position, which says that somewhere you're getting detached from your financial planning. You're failing to plan your finances because of some misguidance, or because you are spending too much on luxury lifestyle, and which is leading to the depletion of finances and not proper planning and engagement or reinvesting of the finances. So just be aware here, because the message here is, though you are enjoying a good financial situation as on date, there is a possibility that the time might come that you're expending beyond your limits and leading to drainage of finances, and then later on you might have to really get a big hit. You might get a real big hit. So just be aware, stitch in time before it actually you miss on the opportunity. Okay, so just be aware of how much you expend, where and why and how. Okay, coming to your health, we can see 10 of wands in the reverse position. Now this again has a dual meaning. Either you're coming out of the health issue, bad health, very very bad collapsed kind of a health situation, or you are getting into it. So just to get assurance, I have got two supporting cards over there. So where I get 5 of Pentacles, and I'm getting 3 of I'm getting the Empress card over here. So 5 of Pentacles is suggesting us that yes, you have been through a very very bad health situation. It could be as bad as you were bedridden, or there was some surgery, or some bad accident, or because of too much of stress, maybe you were into a depression kind of a state. So that kind of a bad situation you were into, but now slowly you are recovering. So though you are recovering, there is some hormonal imbalance issue, or there are some negative thoughts which are really bothering you. In case of females, it could be a situation where you are totally feeling upside down. So majorly I can see in case of females, it could be something like a hormonal imbalance kind of a situation where you are feeling lack of control on your system, in your, like, especially for females, I can see that it could be miscarriage. It could be that you are just recovering from something like a miscarriage, or something like a severe hormonal imbalance situation. So the message here is, calm yourself, be in silence, try to work on your inner balance. Majorly I can see the moon ruling your mind. So majorly you are going through a lot of mood swings and that kind of a situation. So you need to attain inner balance, maybe via meditation and yoga, that will help you to really calm yourself down, and balance your emotions, balance your moods, balance your hormones for that matter, because it will work on your chakras, leading to balance of your chakras, leading to balance of your hormones and physical ailments, if any. So friends, overall, overall, I can see you going through a little ups and downs in the coming month. Family is a major concern area, so just don't be judgmental about the family. There might be certain important decisions which you might be taking in the coming month, which you will be forced to take rather. So time will force you to take it. So just take it with the right attitude and a right reason, and keeping right ethical background in mind. Don't jump to anything. If the relationship matters to you, if your health really matters to you, you might have to go for alternative health therapy. You might have to take care of your health really very badly, because otherwise it's leading to collapse over a period. So work on the recovery. Recovery is possible. In terms of your relationship also, hold on. Certain time you might have to take certain decisions, but take it for the right reason. Okay, so just take care of yourself. I hope this reading really helped you guys, Aquarians. So very good luck. So friends, I really hope that this video helps you with your answers in the coming time. If you're looking for a personalized session or personalized appointment, you can connect with me on my handset number or on my email ID. I'm very active on Instagram, Facebook, as well as on my YouTube channel. So you can put a message to me over there. I'll try to revert at the earliest. Don't forget to follow my Instagram page. I keep on putting a lot of posts which are related to the spiritual growth as well as reading or midweek messages over there, which might really help you. Do share my videos with your friends and family on your Facebook pages, Facebook groups or WhatsApp groups, because these are free readings that can help them to get the guidance if they align with the spread, and they can further share it. So that will help them a lot. I do live sessions on few groups, as well as I do regular live sessions now on our YouTube channel, which is Tarot Reader Shefali in Hindi as well as in English. So do check out the community page, so that I keep on posting the date of that live video, or you can check my Instagram page also. There I keep on putting when I'll be coming live, so that all of you can join there and seek your answers, because this is a free live session. Don't forget to comment on my videos. I do check on my YouTube comments very frequently. So it is a modus of your feedback. I would really encourage you to share your feedback with me, and do share your inputs, do share your suggestions on how we can better the videos, what all the topics you want me to cover in the pick a card reading, which will help you, and all those kind of suggestions you can surely give. I'll try to answer it. I'll try to cover maximum possible things in my capacity. I would like to thank all the subscribers who are already part of our journey, and I would like to welcome new subscribers on board who will be the part of our family soon. So I really wish you all a very good luck and a very happy time ahead. Take care and stay safe.